working for over 3 years now, almost 3.5 years, steadfast on this case. And we want to say thank you to everybody who stood with this family and stood with our legal team through these dark and difficult days where there were questions whether we would get justice, whether this day would ever happen. So, Attorney Darfour.
This case touched on so many different levels, and as being someone involved in the case and being a personal friend of Corey and CJ from school, it touched me on a different level more than an attorney. So today justice was served. Corey's legacy will live on. It's been nearly 3.5 years that the family has waited for justice without knowing it, but the truth prevailed, as Mr. Jones said. The truth prevailed today, and we're so grateful that an all-white jury could see through all the different catechisms that the lawyers were trying to put on, and they ultimately rendered a guilty verdict today. So Corey's legacy will live on, and we're going to keep the beat in mind.